This is the Numark 5000 FX. The 5000 FX is a 5-channel professional-grade effects mixer designed to dramatically expand the available effects that DJs have at their fingertips. Simply put, the 5000 FX is the ultimate tabletop mixer for the pro DJ. You can feed the 5000 FX up to 5 sources, then mix them, beat match, change the pitch, or apply effects. This video will provide an overview of the capabilities of the Numark 5000 FX mixer. The 5000 FX comes loaded with input and output connectors. You have 3 phono, 9 line, and 2 mic inputs. Using the master balanced, unbalanced, XLR, 2-zone, and SPDIF outputs, you can easily control complex mix situations. The toggle switches at the top of the 5000 FX are used to change between your different inputs or change the mix from stereo to mono. The 5000 FX front panel should be familiar territory for most DJs. 5 input faders, 3-band EQ and gain controls are laid out right above the crossfader. On the right side is the effects section with your jog shuttle wheel. With the FX sampler on, as soon as the 5000 FX gets an audio source, it goes to work calculating the beats per minute. The BPM LEDs accurately show you the beats per minute. This is great for having a visual cue for beat matching. Let's show you an example. Start playing a track. And there you see the BPM LEDs are beginning to work. The 5000 FX uses Beekeeper technology to ensure a perfect BPM lock on 2 sources of audio. Once the beats are matched, the green interlock LED indicates the BPM 1 and BPM 2 are locked. Let's show you an example. Play 2 tracks. And you'll see the BPMs are starting to move. You can now see the green LED, which indicates that the 2 BPMs are matched. The scratch button enables jog wheel scratching for a track. The scratch can be done when cueing the song or live during the mix. Let's try some scratching. Activate scratch, and then begin moving the jog wheel. The 5000 FX sonar effect adds a flange-like sweeping effect that you can control in time with playback to create a real-time performance that makes it all your own. Activate sonar and turn the jog wheel to adjust how much of that effect you want to play in your track. You can also use the wet and dry fader to adjust the parameters of your effect. When you're doing most of the effects on the 5000 FX, the LEDs just below the effects button begin to light up in sequence to visually show you how much effect is being applied. This happens in addition to the numeric readout above the buttons. So you have 2 easy ways to see how much effect you are applying. Let's try the chop effect. The chop effect slices up the playback by placing fully adjustable gaps in the audio in real time. Because it's adjustable, chopping is really useful for creating an effect that matches the beat of the music. As the name implies, the echo effect adds an echo effect to playback, again with adjustable control using the jog shuttle wheel. You can make the echo longer or shorter and match the beat perfectly. Full control is provided at all times with a simple move of the wheel. The next effect provided is delay. Just as the other effects work, the wheel provides real-time control of how much of a delay you want to add to the mix. The built-in filter effect is one of the most useful. Filter sweeps are used all the time in pro mixes, and the 5000 FX is a natural when it comes to this. Just press the button and move the wheel. By far the most commonly used effect is the pitch bend. As it suggests, the pitch button turns the jog shuttle wheel into the master control for perfect pitch changes. As the pitch changes, the display constantly provides feedback by indicating negative or positive numbers to tell you how far above or below normal the pitch has been tweaked. Just like a turntable, you can perform spin downs and everything in between. As you notice, when I turn the jog shuttle wheel, the pitch either gets higher or lower. The last effect on the 5000 effects is distortion. This control creates digital distortion, which is ideal for creating smooth, creative transitions, or for playing musically as previously shown with the sonar and filter effects. Activate distort, and turn the jog shuttle wheel. The 5000 effects has its own sampler built in. This provides incredible control over making an instant loop and using it whenever you need it. Making a loop can be done in seconds. Start your track, tap record at the start of the section you want to loop, and then tap the smart loop button at the end. The 5000 effects finds the perfect loop point and makes a loop instantly. Tapping the play button on the sampler lets you trigger the start of that sample. Holding it down plays out the sample for as long as you hold it. The 5000 effects constantly buffers a full 30 seconds of audio, so you never have skips or hiccups in your performances. Well, this concludes the product tour of the Numark 5000 effects. Be sure to visit numark.com for other videos.